Hello traders, in this video I am going to be reviewing the AW Classic MACD EA, looking at what the developer provides on the MQL5 marketplace, and more importantly what those features actually mean from a trader's perspective. All right, so if you are looking for an automated Forex robot, that has a load of indicators and candlestick matters, whether candlestick patterns, sorry, whether for MT4 or MT5, okay, just check the link in the description below to get access to a free expert advisor like that. All right, so now back to what we're discussing. Looking at the top of this listing, this expert advisor is developed by AW Trading Software Limited. The current version shown here is version 1.5, and it was updated on July 21st, 2026, and the listing shows 15 activations. All right, so the listed purchase price is 45 US dollars, while a 1 month rental is available for 30 US dollars. Okay, so one important point here is platform compatibility. The marketplace listing I am reviewing is for the MT5 version, and the developer also provides a separate link to an MT4 version. You can see that here. Okay, so this product is available for both MT4 and MT5. All right, moving into the main description, the developer describes AW Classic MACD EA as a fully automated trading system built around the MACD indicator. Okay, so the listing says that it combines a trend indicator with an oscillator to identify entry points. Now, there are a few other features mentioned right away. The EA supports averaging, includes a function for closing the first and last orders in a basket, and this also has automatic lot calculation. So from a trader's perspective now, averaging is particularly important to notice because it means that this EA is not simply opening one isolated position and leaving it there. Okay, the listing specifically describes a system for adding orders. So the grid and averaging settings later in the page are worth paying attention to. All right, the developer also highlights an easy setup. Okay, an intuitive panel, the ability to open only one trade per candle, and automatic lot calculation, basket order management, and free notification options, including the push notifications, email, and terminal alerts. Now, let us just get into the strategy described by the developer. Okay, the EA uses MACD signals in two different ways. The first is the zero level signal. All right, the zero level signal, when the fast MACD line crosses the zero level from below to above, the listing identifies that as a buy signal, and a move from above to below is treated as a sell signal. Okay, that is for the zero level. All right, so the second is the cross lines signal. Here, a bullish signal occurs when the fast line crosses the slow line from below, while a bearish signal occurs when it crosses from above. Okay, so the EA can use both signal types together, or the trader can select either zero level or cross lines individually. Okay, so one detail worth noting is that the developer says the graphical elements of the indicator are not displayed in the EA itself. So the trading logic is based on the indicator signals, but the indicator's graphic elements are not shown inside the advisor. Okay, now moving further down, the main settings begin with the the main settings begin with the size of the first order and the automatic lot calculation, and the auto lot setting can calculate position size based on the configured deposit amount per 0.01 lots, which the developer says is intended to maintain the risk setting when the deposit changes. Okay, so the MACD parameters are also configurable, including the fast EMA period, the slow EMA period, the signal EMA period, the applied price, and maximum number of candles used for calculations. All right, so then we get to the grid settings. All right, and this is an important section. The minimum step between averaging orders controls the distance between orders, while the multiplier determines how subsequent averaging orders increase in size. Okay, so now we're talking about the take profit section. which uses virtual take profit calculated from the break-even price of the current group of orders. There are also settings for overlapping the first order with the last order and deciding after how many open orders that overlap should be used. All right, and then we have the protection settings, which provide controls for maximum slippage, maximum spread, maximum number of orders, maximum order size, and the options to allow only one order per candle. All right, now finally, the advisor settings let the trader control things such as the magic number, order comments, whether buy or sell orders can be opened, whether new orders can be opened after everything has been closed, and whether the dashboard is displayed. All right, so there are also notification settings for receiving alerts when orders are closed through push notifications, email, or terminal alerts. All right, so the marketplace information provided here does not include a very detailed historical performance figures. All right, but from these images here, I can see here, this just basically seems to show the EA in action. Okay, but we are going to have our own strategy tester back test. Okay, so I am just going to head over to my strategy tester right away, and as you can see, I'm testing the AW Classic MACD EA for MT5 on XAU USD on the H1 time frame, and it's over the past 8 months roughly. Okay, so from the beginning of 2026 till date basically, and I'm using the every tick modeling. So now from here I can see that the initial deposit is $10,000 and the account got blown. All right, we can see that here clearly. Okay, so you can see that the account got blown. The net profit is even it went beyond the initial deposit. Deposit is $10,000. Net total net profit was negative $11,280.96. So the account got blown, and then we can see that the total trades taken were 115, out of which 81 were profitable. Now this begs the question: why will a system have a win rate of 70.43% and the account still gets blown? Right, is a question worth considering. But then if we look at the win rates, I think we're going to find something interesting there. So we have an average profit of $29.02, but the average loss is $400.92. You can see the difference. I think this is where the problem is, right? Because we have a win rate of 7.43%, but then the risk to reward ratio is extremely bad. I mean extremely bad, because you can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss is so much. We are talking about average loss being more than times 10, or perhaps more than times 12, times 13 or so. I think it should be more than times 13, because if you multiply 29 by 13, I think we should be getting somewhere close to 390 or so. So you can see that the average loss is about times 13 of the average profit. So it's not surprising to see the account getting blown despite a win rate of 70.43%. So I think this is one of the areas that the developer ought to create a balance in terms of the win rate, in terms of the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so overall, this expert advisor presents itself as a fully automated MACD based system for both MT4 and MT5 with configurable signals, automatic loss calculation, averaging, and basket management, protection controls, and notifications, right? But the main thing I would pay close attention to is the averaging and multiplier functionality. Okay, we can see from the trade history, part of the trade history, we can see how the averaging system seems to be at play, right? And then you can also see how the trades being executed seem to be sometimes seem to cluster around a particular region. All right, and then you might see some spacing on another set of trades and all of that, right? So the listing on the MQL5 marketplace page gives us the controls, right? But it doesn't give us enough verified performance information. And then, as we did our own back testing, we can see that the results we are seeing is not encouraging at all. It's not encouraging. Okay, so based strictly on the marketplace information, this EA may be worth investigating for traders specifically interested in an automated MACD system. All right, with configurable averaging and basket management features. But as always, the information on the marketplace page and the results that we are seeing here on this back testing, it is not a guarantee of future performance. Okay, so I'm going to recommend doing your own research and testing it carefully on your chosen broker and settings. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.